5 ways to make extra income while working full-time. Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your bank account and seeing extra money rolling in, without working late nights or sacrificing your weekends. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. Here's the truth. The smartest business owners aren't just working harder. They're working smarter by setting up extra income streams that bring in cash while they keep growing their business. If you're tired of relying on just one revenue source and want to increase your financial security, this video will show you exactly how to make extra income while working full-time running your business without adding more stress. Let's be real. Depending solely on your business income is financially risky. Market trends shift, economic downturns happen, and revenue isn't always predictable. Having multiple income streams is not a luxury anymore but has become a necessity for many. The best part? Making extra income doesn't mean working 24/7. Instead, it's about creating smart systems that generate cash without adding more stress to your already busy life as an entrepreneur. Below, I'll walk you through 5 easy ways to make extra money while working full-time and keeping your business running strong. Number 1. Sell digital products that make money while you sleep. Selling digital products is one of the best ways to make passive income without adding extra work to your daily routine. Unlike client-based work, you create it once, and it sells forever. Best digital products to sell. Ebooks, teach something valuable related to your industry. Templates, business contracts, marketing plans, social media templates, endless possibilities. Online courses, teach what you know. Platforms like Teachable or Kajabi make it easy. Stock photos, videos. If you create visual content, sell it on Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Number 2. Leverage affiliate marketing to get paid for recommending products. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to make extra income. You don't even need your own product. You earn a commission by recommending tools, software, or services that your audience and clients already need. How it works. 1. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or Impact. 2. Recommend the products or services you already use in your business, or you already recommend your clients to use. 3. Share affiliate links in a blog, YouTube video, or email newsletter. 4. Get paid whenever someone buys through your link. Number 3. Rent out what you already own. You don't always need to create something new to make money. Monetize what you already have. Easy ways to earn money from your assets. Rent a room on Airbnb. If you have an extra office space, rent it out short-term. List your business equipment for rent. Have professional cameras, event supplies, or specialized tools? Rent them out to other entrepreneurs. Lease your storage space. Use platforms like Neighbor to rent out unused space. Sublet a co-working desk. If you have extra office space, sublet it to a fellow business owner. Number 4. Start a print-on-demand business, no inventory needed. Want to sell branded merchandise without stocking products? Print-on-demand lets you create and sell custom products, t-shirts, mugs, posters, books, without handling inventory. How to start? Use sites like Printful or Redbubble to create branded designs. List products on Etsy, Shopify, Amazon, or your business website. When someone buys, the company prints and ships it for you. Number 5. Get paid for your expertise with coaching or consulting. If you have specialized knowledge, people will pay for your advice. Coaching and consulting are great ways to monetize your expertise. It does add more work to your agenda, so make sure this makes sense. How to get started? Choose a niche you have a lot of expertise in: business coaching, marketing strategy, productivity consulting, etc. Offer one-on-one or group coaching sessions online. Charge per session or create a subscription model. Final thoughts. Take action today. Making extra income while running a business isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. Whether you choose selling digital products, affiliate marketing, renting out assets, print on demand, or coaching, the key is taking action today. You don't need to be an expert, and you don't need to wait for the perfect time. The best time to make extra income while working full-time is now.